In this lesson, we'll show you how to export the takeoff. You can export any item in the quantification workbook by simply selecting which items or elements you want to take off. So before we can go any further, we have to select which item we want to take off from our quantification notebook. For this example, we'll take off the wide flange structural framing, W8x10. This category contains 4 pieces that all have the same properties. That's why they're all grouped together into one class. Once you have them selected, you can export them out into a single XML file or CSV file. To export your items, look into the upper right-hand corner of the quantification workbook window. You'll see a button that lets you export or import catalogs and export quantities. When you click that button, you'll be given a number of options, but for our purposes, we're going to choose to export the quantities to Excel. A save window will appear, and you can now save your file